Imagine waking up every day with clarity instead of fog, calm instead of chaos, and magnetism that draws people and opportunities to you. This isn't a fantasy. It's the natural state of a soul whose aura is awakened. Your aura isn't just some mystical glow, it's your daily power source. And when you learn to unlock it, life changes in ways you can feel, see, and measure. The aura as your energy. Your aura is more than an energy bubble. It is the interface between your soul and the world, a field that records, reflects, and transmits everything about your state of being. When your aura is dim or blocked, you feel drained, anxious, or easily influenced by negative environments. But when it's radiant and stable, you move through life with presence, intuition, and natural strength. Unlocking your aura is not about escape. It's about thriving in everyday reality. Real benefits in daily life. 1. Intuition, your inner GPS. An awakened aura sharpens your perception beyond logic. You notice subtle cues, sense hidden motives, and just know when something feels right or wrong. This isn't guesswork. It's your aura picking up signals your mind hasn't processed yet. In daily life, this means better decisions, stronger instincts, and fewer regrets. 2. Energy stability, no more being drained. Ever felt exhausted after being around certain people? That's aura leakage. A strong aura acts like insulation. It protects your energy from being drained by stress, crowds, or negativity. This stability helps you recharge faster and maintain emotional balance, even in chaotic environments. 3. Protection, a spiritual shield. Ancient mystics trained their aura as a shield. When your aura is strong, harmful influences, from toxic thoughts to subtle energetic attacks, simply don't penetrate as deeply. It's like walking through life with a natural force field. 4. Charisma and presence, magnetic aura. Ever met someone who lights up the room without speaking? That's aura charisma. When your energy field is clear, aligned, and vibrant, people feel it. They are drawn to you, trust you, and remember you, not just because of your words, but because of your energy presence. 5. Healing and soul growth. A balanced aura promotes faster physical and emotional healing. Your immune system, nervous system, and emotional resilience are all strengthened when your energy is flowing freely. And beyond health, a radiant aura accelerates soul growth, expanding your consciousness, deepening your spiritual connection, and aligning you with your true path. Why, most people haven't unlocked it yet. Modern life doesn't train us to use the aura. We feed it junk with overstimulation, unhealthy habits, and stress. We ignore the subtle senses that were once natural. But the forgotten truth is, you already have this power. It's not about creating something new, but about activating what was always there. A simple practice to begin unlocking your aura. Start with daily awareness. Each morning, take 3 deep breaths, imagining light filling your body and expanding outward around you. Visualize your aura as a radiant shield of light. With each breath, affirm, I protect, strengthen, and radiate my energy today. This simple practice charges your field, aligns your intention, and begins to unlock your aura's natural gifts. The aura isn't just spiritual decoration, it's the invisible architecture of your best life. When you unlock it, intuition sharpens, energy stabilizes, protection strengthens, charisma rises, and your soul begins to expand. In our next episode, we'll go deeper into how to cleanse and strengthen your aura daily, keeping it radiant, resilient, and unstoppable. Until then, honor your light and remember, your aura is the key to your soul's true power.